thunderstorm warning for Madison County in western North Carolina, Mitchell County in western North Carolina, Buncombe County in western North Carolina, Yancey County in western North Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southwest of Marshall, or 7 miles west of Leicester, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include downtown Asheville, Spruce Pine, Burnsville, Marshall, East Asheville, West Asheville, North Asheville, Woodfin, Weaverville, and Mars Hill. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for western North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Buncombe, Madison, Mitchell, and